Enable. Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense, in association with CNBC TV 18.
Hello and welcome to Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense. I am Krishna Kumar. This exclusive series brings to the fore the work of organizations that are truly fulfilling the government's Make in India initiative by bringing in world-class defense technologies to India. These companies are partners to India's growth story, and they help in building a truly self-reliant India in defense production by making in India for India and the world. Let me now present to you our Indian defense maker on the show this week, MKU, a global defense and homeland security company that has been empowering soldiers since the 1980s. After witnessing inadequate protection and cumbersome body armor being used by Indian soldiers during the 1999 Kargil war between India and Pakistan, MKU immersed itself in bringing to India the best of defense technologies and smart solutions that deliver confidence and keep our heroes agile during the day or at night. The realization that this is a much specialized field that requires huge investments and very large markets did not stop MKU. And today, after 35 years in the business, MKU defines quality. Let's hear their story.
M. Kumar Udyog, popularly known as MKU, was established in 1985 by late G.K. Gupta and now operates through 4 manufacturing facilities and 3 offices spread over 4 lakh square feet between India and Germany. Headquartered in Kanpur and with a presence in over 100 countries, MKU employs more than 500 people and is at the forefront of technology and expertise in armoring and is second to none globally.
We are indebted to the brave men and women who safeguard our freedom and way of life, be it our international borders or managing our internal security. They are at the core of what we do, and we are proud that MKU is in a position to empower them, give them more confidence in challenging situations.
MKU has grown leaps and bounds in the last 3 decades. It has embraced technology and innovation to become one of the leading defense technology companies with expertise and capabilities that no other company in its domain can boast about, nationally or internationally.
It all started during the Kargil war. We were already supplying fiberglass helmets to the Indian Army. When we were watching the news, we realized that our forces were using such heavy and cumbersome body armor in those challenging situations. I think it was that moment in time when we unanimously decided that we wanted to get the latest technologies into India so that our armed forces have access to the best of equipment. We started with manufacturing of body armor and ballistic helmets, added platform armoring as our capability by acquiring a company in Germany. We developed the latest technology for night vision and thermal devices on our own.
Till date, MKU has empowered more than 30 lakh soldiers and armored over 3,000 platforms, including aircraft, naval vessels and land vehicles. Recognized as the only company in the world to have the expertise and capability to protect from more than 100 types of bullets and threats, MKU has developed and patented over 20 new technologies and solutions that are trusted and recognized all over the world. It is a long-term partner with DRDO and works on various co-development projects for indigenous development of optronics and armor products.
While what we do is important, it is how we do it that makes us feel proud. We never rest. We adopt new technologies and innovate every year, every month, and every day. We are human-centric in our approach. Every solution that we create is designed keeping the user in mind. Ease of use, comfort, reliability, and performance are the parameters we emphasize upon. This is the reason we have been able to gain the trust of our customers globally.
MKU develops and manufactures a wide range of sophisticated night vision and thermal optronic solutions for military and internal security forces. These devices use the advanced technologies like image intensification and thermal sensors that allow soldiers and security personnel to operate with maximum situational awareness and offer them an edge even in pitch dark conditions.
MKU started developing Netro-optronic solutions 5 years ago to empower our heroes in extremely challenging situations of night warfare. The entire technology has been indigenously developed by MKU. We are literally turning night into day to ensure that our heroes are equipped with the best optronic technologies in the world. And we are not resting here. We are collaborating with some of the biggest names in the industry, such as Thales, to develop fusion technology where the best of night vision and thermal are combined. We are also working on multi-sensor based intelligent devices, and we are working on optronic solutions for platforms.
Netro night vision and thermal solutions are extremely smart. They are result of extensive R&D and on-ground testings. Our optronic equipments are rugged and built to perform under severe weather conditions while still being lightweight and intuitive to use. Our devices feature the most advanced technologies of sensors, optics and electronics to ensure enhanced performance in tactical missions, search and rescue operations or during patrolling and surveillance. Netro equipments are built on MKU's foundation of Smart Trinity, which are smart technologies, smart design and smart features.
MKU is the only company in India to have indigenously developed advanced Generation 3 night vision devices to meet the requirements of the Indian Air Force.
I've worked with MKU for more than 15 years now. I would say that it's the first Indian defense company to have export its products to the Philippine Army. Over these years, it's becoming a synonymous as far as their personal protection product with the Philippine Army as well as with the Philippine National Police. It's a one-stop shop that can design and manufacture from helmet and body armor that is based on the specific design required by each customer. It has expanded now into its electro-optic devices, which includes thermal imagers and night vision, a world-class technology, and we already have started to offer it to the Philippine National Police. MKU has a long-term vision and works very well with its partners all over the world, and we considered as partners and we work as a team. I'm happy personally to have worked with MKU Limited.
Wow, what an incredible story. MKU ventured into the defense sector in 1985, and very soon it became the largest and sole supplier of fiberglass helmets and snow boots to the Indian Army. It was the Kargil War that changed everything, and the rest, as they say, is history. And with that, we've come to the end of this segment. We will get you lots more about MKU on the other side of a short break. Stay tuned.
Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense in association with CNBC TV 18. Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense in association with CNBC TV 18.
Welcome back to Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense, and today we're talking about MKU, a pioneer in optronics and armor solutions, recognized as one among the best in the world. In fact, MKU is the only Indian company that offers ballistic solutions certified by the National Institute of Justice in the United States of America. Armor solutions from MKU feature patented technologies that are lightweight and offer smart features that are redefining the parameters of body armor and head protection worldwide.
MKU has decided to make the world its marketplace and has embarked on a journey to garner trust, technology and expertise from across the globe. MKU was the first company to bring in the technology of lightweight composite armor in India. Today, it stands as the largest producer of ballistic helmets and body armor in the world and has the expertise and capability to protect from 100+ types of bullets and threats.
We stand firmly between the bullets and our heroes in the line of duty so that they can carry out their missions with confidence. All solutions from MKU are based on our philosophy of Smart Trinity. smart technologies, smart features, and smart design. Our smart technologies deliver enhanced protection at lightest weights. Our products incorporate smart features that are required by soldiers and security personnel during tactical maneuvers or in other challenging situations. We use smart design and smart materials to ensure consistency in performance over a longer period of time. Our designs are centered around user comfort, keeping in mind that the equipments are to be used for an extended period of time.
MKU offers various industry-first technologies, design and innovations for soldiers. Cavro bolt-free helmets with twist-fit stability harness is one such innovation that offers extra protection and exceptional stability when worn with modern tactical headgear and night vision devices. MKU's RHT technology for helmets substantially reduces the behind-helmet blunt trauma which occurs due to the impact of high-energy bullets at the back of the helmet shell to protect from skull fractures and injuries. And the Cavro Max multiple accessory connector system for helmets allows on-the-go seamless compatibility with all modern headgear and equipment. The 4-point quick-release system for enhanced survivability and the Insta-Load distribution system that reduces the carried weight of a soldier by over 40%.
Cavro armor solutions from MKU are specially developed for people and platforms, and they use the latest technologies. The solutions developed meet and exceed even the most stringent standards worldwide. These solutions are certified and approved by leading accredited bodies internationally.
MKU not only protects people, it armors platforms too. It has already armored more than 3,000 platforms, including frigates, boats, helicopters, and land vehicles. Currently, MKU is the only Indian company which has an extensive expertise and rich experience in providing end-to-end solutions for designing, developing, prototyping, manufacturing, and then integrating the armor onto air, naval, as well as land platforms.
Every platform used by armed forces worldwide, be it a helicopter, a naval vessel, or a land vehicle, is designed precisely for endurance and performance while carrying a certain payload, such as people or equipment. All these platforms operate in hostile environments, so they need to be armored to protect the people or important equipment and supplies they carry. Designing, developing, manufacturing integration, armor on platforms is a very complex task. It requires smart capabilities, expertise, smart technologies, and of course a modern infrastructure. Cavro Platform Protection offers end-to-end solutions in platform armoring under one roof only. We can proudly say that we offer some of the smartest platform armoring solutions across the globe.
We trust on the solutions from MKU because of their timing and experience in the market. They can develop some solutions pretty fast in the way that the client wants. That makes a big difference dealing with MKU. Sometimes the difference of language may not help, but in the case of MKU, they really speed this up, trying to get in the best solution according to the need of the client in the correct time, in the good quality. And that makes a big difference. In Brazil, we sold body armors to São Paulo Military Police, NVDs to the Brazilian Army, and recently some plates to the Highway Federal Police with the standard-of-the-art quality. This makes a really difference. We have customers that have specific needs different from what is regular found in the market, and MKU put a lot of efforts trying to find the solution to fulfill 100% of the client's needs, get certification on time, and that makes a big difference when you're doing international business. We are very proud to work with MKU.
I'm proud of the fact that all our products and solutions are manufactured indigenously by us at our factories in India and Germany. We own all the intellectual properties of our solutions. We live our country's Atmanirbhar Bharat dream every day.
From manufacturing and supplying fiberglass helmets and snow boots to India's armed forces, to becoming the first company outside of the US and Europe to manufacture lightweight composite armor, MKU has come a long way. It offers complete project management solutions for land, air, and naval platforms using its special patented technologies and systems which have been developed over years of research and development efforts. And with that, it's time for another short breather here on the show. We'll see you on the other side with more amazing facts about MKU. Don't go anywhere.
Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense, in association with CNBC TV 18. Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense, in association with CNBC TV 18.
You're watching Atmanirbhar Bharat, Makers of Indian Defense, our exclusive series that puts the spotlight on organizations that are helping India become truly self-reliant by bringing in world-class defense technologies and are bolstering their manufacturing capabilities in the country, fulfilling the government's Make in India vision. And on this episode, we're talking about MKU, which has been working relentlessly to empower soldiers and deliver confidence to them in challenging situations.
MKU through all these years has fulfilled extremely large orders in India as well as in the international markets. Not only is it fulfilling the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat every day, rather, it is taking it to the next level by substantially boosting the defense exports from the private sector in India. Post the Mumbai terror strike, MKU armored the Coast Guard's 183 fast patrol boats for enhanced coastal surveillance and around 80 fast interceptor boats for the Indian Navy. Recently, it armored the F-125 frigates for the German Navy, more than 64 Black Hawk and Chinook helicopters for the Korean Army, Air Force and Navy, S-76D helicopters for the Japan Navy and Super Puma helicopters for the Swiss Air Force.
We are proud to have provided indigenously designed and developed smart solutions for our forces in India. We've delivered over 1 lakh ballistic jackets to CAPS and the Indian Defence Forces. We have delivered 1,58,000 ballistic helmets recently made of composite materials to the Ministry of Defence for use by the Indian Army and the Indian Navy. We've delivered the latest Generation 3 night vision devices to Indian Army, State Police Forces, Special Forces and Central Armed Police Forces as well. Not only we are adding to the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, but we are also developing technologies for our heroes in India.
Registered as a NATO and UN supplier, MKU manufactured products are used by 230 forces in over 100 countries worldwide.
Internationally, we have delivered more than 104,000 body armors to Philippines, and in the coming months, we shall also be delivering them the latest night vision devices. We are proud to mention that we have upgraded the protection of the entire Ecuadorian police. We have recently delivered 11,700 ballistic helmets to the Chilean forces, and last year we delivered 14,500 bulletproof jackets to the Brazilian forces, and now we are ready to supply them the latest Generation 3 night vision devices as well.
To match such capability and magnitude, MKU has an equally enormous infrastructure to match. From in-house sensor testing labs, an elaborate ballistic testing lab that conforms to the most stringent specifications by National Institute of Justice USA, to sophisticated environmental and performance testing labs and equipment for both optic and armor, and the MKU Technical Center, it just goes to show at what lengths MKU goes to develop and deliver solutions that empower soldiers.
Protecting personnel and platform needs a lot of commitment, be it in terms of infrastructure, technology, know-how or R&D. We have the right infrastructure that is continuously evolving to keep up with the smartest techniques available. Strong ERP connected supply chain, efficient project management and skilled human resource, which helps us serve our customers on time and in full. We have robust quality management systems to ensure right processes and consistent quality. It is about responsibility, and our team understands that. We ensure that nothing but the best goes to our heroes.
So what is it that inspires MKU, where they are headed, and what would be the expected outcomes in the near future?
At MKU, we work to empower heroes with confidence through smart solutions and products. We focus on a collaborative culture that encourages our internal heroes to go the extra mile and come up with industry-first solutions. Each member of the MKU family understands the importance of his or her individual roles and takes pride in protecting the real life heroes. We're adopting smarter processes that emphasize on environmental sustainability and accelerated innovation so that we can deliver more confidence to our heroes while making our world safer.
Progress is in the DNA of MKU. We have been constantly evolving. Our focus is on R&D, be it in terms of latest technologies, latest processes, or latest techniques. We develop solutions that are smart and deliver confidence to the soldiers. We have a strong sense of community. Under our CSR initiatives, we have activated various programs in the field of education, medical, and green energy. We have a global outlook. We have customers all over the world. We sell our solutions in over 100 countries. More than 230 forces trust our products. We are proud to be taking India to the world.
MKU is extremely proud of the fact that they are in a position to empower and deliver confidence to our heroes who stand in the line of duty for our freedom and protection. It is committed to harnessing the power of knowledge and innovation to safeguard the future for generations to come. MKU is taking giant strides and is poised for larger leaps under the government's Make in India campaign while creating a niche for themselves. That's all we have time for on this show. Until then, thank you for watching. This is Krishna Kumar signing off.
Atmanirbhar Bharat, makers of Indian defense in association with CNBC TV 18. Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.